Linyi Yoju Machinery Company Limited is engaged in independently researching and developing and selling block machines, etc., construction building machines. We are located in Linyi City, Shandong Province, the professional building machine manufacturing industrial zone in China, having direct flights from cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou. Our block machines have been exported to over 100 countries like Algeria, Zambia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Russia, Nigeria, Egypt, Kazakhstan, India, the Philippines, USA, Peru, Brazil. We focus on the international market, mainly producing stationary block machine, including hydraulic block machine, medium and small-scale vibration block machine, mobile block machine, clay block machine. Also provide various block molds and the relative supporting equipment like concrete mixers, conveyor belts, cement silos, batching machines, crushers, and so on. We do our utmost to provide the most satisfied service and best qualified machines to meet customers' needs via highly strict quality management and quality control system, as well as the first-class after-sales service. Moreover, we also have experienced technicians with the passport to help customers install the machine and do the training abroad. The competition is high on market. We're improving our control of management so that our quality and our service are better and better. We are working our unit to be a modern manufacturer. Management, quality, benefit, service, and credit will be the first class. Warmly welcome to visit our factory. We will do our best to provide you a suitable solution.